Hello, my brother, can you hear me now? Oh, excusez-moi, ke le betse da. Ke na le mathata a mangata jwang. Bona mfanola wa
This is a whole week analysis. Whole week analysis. So I'm gonna go down to all four pairs. All four pairs. Okay, we were left behind here. Let's see, we entered this trade. We will be holding close to 800, but we are not. Okay, so my analysis is we are starting on step index. Step index. Now we go to the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, as you can see, nine. Change of character. And the reason I'm not using this here as a break of structure is because you can see it's an internal structure. We made this high, went down, and we wiped. Instead of breaking, then we went down, then we went back up, then we broke structure. This candlestick then down. As you can see, there's an order block for this break of structure. Made a flip zone close to respecting it, but we didn't. Then we went down. Yeah, that's all. The weekly time frame, and as you can see, we are on a downtrend. This is the step index downtrend. Okay, no need for that. Okay. Downtrend. Made a break of structure right here. We made this flip zone. I once did explain what is a flip zone. I remember doing so. I explained what is a flip zone. A flip zone happens when we, let me take a screenshot to show you. Let me do this. I want an empty space. Free chat movement. Okay. Okay, just key. Free chat movement. So made a mistake by removing it. I had to slide it that side. Okay, this is a flip zone. Let me change the color to black. So we are on an uptrend, right? So we made this order block, came back to it, we went up, then we broke it. Okay, let me make it shorter, a little bit shorter. Went up, acted as if we were respecting it, went up, then we broke it. So this thing is also a chart pattern. Those who trade chart patterns will see it as a head and shoulder. S1, H, S2, head and shoulder, and L, neckline. So since I'm not trading using only chart patterns are just for confirmation, so I use them for confirmation. So as you can see, we made what? Another order block right over here, and we most likely have an order block here. So what's gonna happen here is what mostly can happen is that we're gonna come back, retest it, go down, then break, then down. I don't know if you understand what I mean. the flip zone is only for a short period. You can target this 50%. This one. That's the thing about it. Okay. So now I explained what is a flip zone. Let's go back to the analysis. So going back. So yeah, guys, here. Okay, let me use an arrow. As you can see, this is the flip zone. We broke. We made this liquidity high, meaning right around this area we might expect to go up, depending on where we at here. Okay, yeah, most likely we're gonna start retracing from here. If you look here, we have this candlesticks which left a space, meaning we have another block right here, maybe on the daily time frame, but I'll be focusing on the buying pressure because yes, we are on a downtrend. I'm opposing the I will be opposing the overall trend, but okay, let me just clear first because it's making me do mistakes. It's 95, 95, guys. I have a folder for it. I don't know why is it. Here's my folder. So I was waiting for it to load, but it's taking much time. So let me just do this. Even though I'm opposing the overall structure, guys, I do know that. Let's go back. What's happening? Yeah. Okay, guys. I don't want to focus here, but as you can see, most of you, as you can see, we did a wipe right over here. Yes, we did a wipe. I don't want to waste time here. Then market structure shift right over here, making an order block right around that area, right around this area. So just do this right around this area. So now what I'll be focusing on is okay, I have to focus on this zone just a little bit to just see. Okay, I'm not a fan of this structure, guys, because well, I don't know how long we're gonna still drop from here before we go up, but I think I'll be focusing on selling with it. So what I mean by that is because my selling will be caused by this structure. As you can see, we are on a downtrend. We are on a downtrend. We are creating a wedge. Okay, I might buy. I actually might buy. Let's see. So right around this area, let me use a horizontal line. I don't have a horizontal line. I'll just use this right around this area. I have a support. I have a support zone. Okay, which is good. So on the daily, I'll just be drawing this trend line. So we have this daily supply. No, it's not a supply, it's a demand. Accurate demand is when the buyers show themselves, and the supply is when the sellers supply buyers. Okay, yeah, that's all. I think it's correct the way I said it. Okay, now for our time frame, going to the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we have this breakout structure, no market structure shift. Let me just fix it real quick by using this numbers instead. Okay, and we have a wipe right over here. We have the swipe, we have the imbalance on the 4 hour time frame. So that 4 hour imbalance order block is supported by the resistant area. So yes, I do believe you're gonna drop a little bit before going up. Then we have this huge imbalance which is not yet filled. Not yet filled. Okay, seems like okay. Not yet filled. I want this imbalance to show itself, but this zone is not necessarily needed. Okay, we have this low, which will be a wipe that we are gonna be needing from the 4 hour time frame before shooting back up. As you can see, we're gonna go down, wipe below that low, then yeah, this I'm sure of, guys. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, let's see if there's anything we might need. Okay, the 1 hour order block supports, because here it is. But remember, I said I'll be entering on the 4 hour order block. The 1 hour supports it. The 30 minutes, yes, I'll go back to the 1 hour, don't worry, guys. And I'll be adjusting my fair value gap a little bit. Okay, the 30 minutes is right at that zone too. Let me go back to the 1 hour. Let me use the 1 hour imbalance. Okay, this is the 1 hour imbalance. We touched it, we did not fill it, so I'm waiting for it to fill the 1 hour imbalance, then we go up with it. So as I said, entering on the 4 hour order block. Wait a second. Oh, I can still go down. Thought it was impossible to go down anymore. Okay, I'll be entering with 2 trades, one targeting the 100% and one targeting the 50%. So this will do it. So yeah, that's all for this video. This trade might take long or might not, so we will just wait and see. It's your boy Traders Foundation, and I love you all.
Come on next door, you wanna join on the top. And I get money I get. Got it, bitch. That's a small chicken, yeah.